Welcome to adding and subtracting integers. So today we will be learning the operations of integers. Adding and subtraction of integers. Alright. So, first thing that you need to know. I'll do the signs sort of thing. So, positive plus positive will equal positive. Okay? Positive plus negative equals, well, depends, so varies. Negative plus positive will also vary. And negative plus negative will always be negative. Sorry, not that. It will actually be negative. Okay? So let's take a few examples just to clarify this. 3 plus 4, 7. That's a positive. Let's say 3 plus negative 4, that's a negative 1. And negative 4 plus 3, that's also a negative 1. But let's say we take, I don't know, 1 plus negative 7, that would be negative 6. How about 19 plus negative 1? That's only going to be 18. So the sign will vary. You know, the commutative property of addition varies. What the commutative property states is that x plus y is equal to y plus x. Okay? And then about subtractions. So plus, minus, plus. Well, I have to say varies. 5 minus 2 is 3, and that's a positive. But 2 minus 5 is negative 3, so yeah, varies. Alright. Plus, minus, negative. If you have two negatives, they become to be a positive. So let me just outline this so that it doesn't look like I just did that. So that will always be positive. But let's say we have something like, it won't always be positive. You have to do examples to figure it out. So 5 minus negative 2, 5 plus 2, 7. 2 minus negative 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Yeah, it's always positive. Positive. Now let's see, negative plus positive. Well, I have to say it will vary. It will vary. See, the reason why there's no commutative property of subtraction is that you could have 2 minus 1 is 1, but 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So that's why there's no commutative property of subtraction. Anyway, and then the last one, negative minus negative. Negative plus positive. I have to say it will vary because you could have negative 700 minus negative 2. Negative 700 plus positive 2 is only going to be negative 698. But let's say that we have something else. Like, I don't know, darn, I'm having a real hard time doing these. Let's see. How about 1 minus negative 4? So 1 plus 4, that's 5. Okay, yeah, so it will vary. And that's how you look at it at a glance, but when you do actual problems, you actually refer to that instead of just looking like, oh, okay, that's that, okay, that's nice, okay, bye. So, what should we do? I think, let's just do a positive. Let's just do addition first. So 542 plus negative 7. So, the way you would do this is that whenever anything is whenever anything, like, let's say, x plus negative y will be x minus positive y. Well, actually, I shouldn't put positive there because then people will start thinking, wait, that doesn't make sense. So yeah, x plus negative y is equal to x minus y. Okay? So this would be, cross this out and then just have 542 minus 7 would be 535. And the way you would check that is 535 plus 7 is 542. So, yes. That's right. Alright, how about negative 7 minus negative 4? Negative 7 minus negative 4. Well, first, we gotta cancel this out. So, negative 7 plus 4. Now, what else you could do, negative 7 plus 4, is just visualize it in your head. Let's say this is 0. Say this is negative 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, sorry about these lines conjoining. That was not supposed to be there. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is negative 7 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be negative 3. So that's how you sort of visualize it. It's a negative 3. Negative 3 plus negative 4 is 7. But another way you could think of it is, I don't know if this will always work, but I don't know. It's just something that popped into my head. I'm not entirely sure if this will work, so I'll try a couple of examples. You could imagine it as this, like, let's see, negative 7 plus, no, not negative 7 plus, negative 7 minus negative 4. I think another way you could do it is 4 minus negative 7. I mean 4 just minus 7. I don't know if this will work, but this equals 3, so I'm going to try another example. Negative 1 minus negative 3. So negative 1 plus 3 would be 2. Because if you could visualize it on a number line, it would be 2. 3 minus 1 is also 2. Well, I guess you could say in some cases, or maybe in most cases, yeah, I think this works in all cases. Yay, I just discovered something new today. But that's basically operations of operations of integers 1, adding and subtracting integers.